at the Minnekhada Regional Park today, and here is the information. So we start here where the parking lot is, and today I'm going to take him on the outside through the Quarry Trail all the way. Right now I'm going to check out the High Knoll, and then I think the Low Knoll right now is closed off. I plan to cut in the middle, but if I still have some energy and time left, I might go down the whole way to the front trail and then back as a big loop. We'll see. This is a leaf area, and off we go. Let's go. What I like about the regional park or bigger parks, provincial park as well, they do have a lot of garbage cans, which is really important as dog owners. You don't want to carry their poop all day. I want to talk a little bit about bear as well. In the background you'll hear a belt noise coming out of Ace and as well as me. That's because we both have our bear belt on. That's a kind of alternative than having a bear spray. It's not, you shouldn't replace bear spray. But then I would like to reserve the using bear spray as the last resort. And generally, if you don't have the bear spray available, I think bear belt is another pretty good options out there that you could have. It'll be a little bit annoying because it's the bear belt, of course, is pretty loud. But then it's for your own safety, so I think it's worth the purchase. We're coming up to a split here, and then there's a map available. Again, as I mentioned, I would like to do a more outside loop, so we are going to go with the left one. Ace really likes to be in the forest, so he's pretty happy. Tails wiggle. So far there's a lot of shaded area. We came here around noontime and it didn't feel too hot. And I would say it's so pretty here. And so far the road has been pretty well marked, maintained, and is very flat. Again, we're at another split. We're there, and we're going to turn right here. Ace is patiently waiting for me to choose which side. Ace, right here. Stop. This is join us renting time. This is a leash only dog trail, and we are glad to enjoy and have this kind of environment to come here over in BC, but some of the dog owners are being really irresponsible. You can see that there's a dog poo right in the middle of the walkway. Dog owners, please be responsible and pick up your own dog poo. Thank you. That's a huge log. I'm wondering if Ace can actually climb on top of it. Okay, this is another incline. This is a longer incline this time, and much higher than before. A lot of time, me and my sister, when we hike together, we were joking that this is exactly why we have a dog, so that they can be our hiking aid, hiking assistant. Without the need to actually having a hiking stick. Okay, we now got to the top. I thought for a second we're gonna go this way, but then I saw a sign on the tree. There's a big arrow, so we're gonna keep on climbing. Okay, we're back onto our climbing. Ace, let's go. If you can hear it, it's actually Ace's breathing, so he's panting a lot. We're gonna take a little water break. We are now here at another split, and I think right now I will just, well, we're at this one, so I don't need to make a decision to see if we're in shape to venture further or not until later. So right now I'm going to keep on going, although there are people saying that High Knoll is actually pretty, but check out the incline. Oh, it's all the way up there. I know if I'm up for it. I'll see after this break. Yeah, I made the decision that I'm going to make that climb up there and then check out the view. Since a lot of people say that it's nice, and then I think, you know, since we're here, why not? So here we go. Okay, I just checked my ultra map here. We are still a little bit away from the top of the High Knoll, so we'll keep on going. I think we're at the end of the High Knoll now. Oh, finally. So now we're on the move. I'm going back. Let's go. Okay, now we're back down to here. We're just at the High Knoll. Now we're going back. I'm cutting in the middle and heading back toward the park. Wow, this is so cool. I haven't been to a lot of marsh area, so this is very, very cool for me. I don't know if you can see it really clearly. It extends to the end of that forest. Wow! But it looks so cool. Wow. And then at the back over there as well. We're in the middle of the aisle, going across the marsh. And Ace again is patiently waiting for me to show you what it looks like around here. This is so cool. And by the way, it's pretty cool because I think we're near the water and there's breeze coming in. So cool. Alright, we'll keep on going now. We're now finally back to the main road and really close to the parking lot. We're now back in the car, and then we think that we enjoyed this hike, and then I definitely recommend the extra hike up to the High Knoll, right Ace? I think the view is really worth it with the extra climb, and definitely recommend it. This trail is not long, so definitely doable even with younger kids. There were a lot of younger kids climbing up the mountain right beside us, so it's definitely doable. And of course, if you're bringing a dog, make sure that he or she has enough treats and water on the road. That's it for today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share so that more people can watch our videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.